Hello guys, Ivan here, and this is world premiere of the all-new Mercedes-Benz GLA, and here in special edition 1 and also AMG line. So this is the GLA 250, so this is the most powerful GLA outside of the AMG line series, which is the 35 and maybe other models in the future. So here we are looking at the edition 1, which brings like red or like red-orange details. And guys, before we continue, please subscribe to this YouTube channel and also like the video, comment down below what do you think about this car. And yeah guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and let's continue. So here we have all new GLA. So this is like A-Class but in SUV form, and we have these multi-spoke black gloss black wheels, which have like outside lining in this like red or like a reddish color. The edition badge on the front fender, and this particular vehicle has a black mirrors. So the GLA now completes the compact series of the Mercedes-Benz vehicles, and really it has a more ground clearance than the A-Class, so it's more suitable for everyday family life, so for young families, and this is a great car. We have also the GLB, which can be 7-seater. This is only 5-seater. So if it's 5 seats, if it's okay for you, then this is a great car for you. If you need 7 seats or a larger vehicle overall, then the GLB would be better choice for you. So we can see a very nice sideline. So it looks like a little bit like a coupe, and it has really massive shoulders and really massive rear stance of the vehicle. So I'm really big fan of this design. So the physical dimensions of the new GLE compared to the older model is different. So now it's 0.6 inches shorter, and wheelbase is longer by 1.1 inch. So also the height of the vehicle is now higher, so 4.1 inches higher than before, which is significant. And we can see also the sunroof here, which is quite large. So let's take a look at the engine bay here. So as I said, this is the top spec of the non-AMG models, and also this is the base spec for the US market. So 250 is 2.0 liter M260 petrol engine, 4-cylinder inline petrol engine, and it produces 221 horsepower and 350 Newton meters of torque, or 258 pound-feet of torque. So the acceleration from 0 to 60 miles per hour is 8.6 seconds, and top speed is 209 kilometers per hour, which is 130 miles per hour. GLA starts as a front-wheel drive car, but you can have also all-wheel drive system 4MATIC as a next level. And in Europe, the base model will be GLA 200, which is 1.33 liter, and GLA 250 has 8-speed DCT gearbox, and 200 has 7-speed DCT gearbox. So here we can see the 4MATIC, and these are only recommended prices, so they may differ in real life. So let's check out the boot space here. So this has a 435 liters, which is quite good for this kind of compact vehicle. So as you can see, the boot is flat, so it's easy to load things in the boot. And underneath you have a subwoofer and tire kit. This car doesn't have a spare tire. So you can see the nets, little pockets on each side of the boot. The boot is electric, so you can close it with the button. And also it should have a easy access with the, you can wave your feet underneath the bumper and open it. So here it's showcased how it's closing. So really this Magno paint brings life to this vehicle. So now let's check out the interior of the new GLA. We can see carbon fiber door trim, and this is really nicely loaded. So these seats, you can see they are AMG line seats with a headrest which is not integrated in this kind of vehicle. And we can see this little perforation and little orange or reddish accents. So that's because of the edition 1 which is a trim which is only being made for the first year of the production of a certain model at the Mercedes brand. So you cannot order it like a second year, only the first year. That's why this edition 1. So we can see the all digital, full digital panels. So these are 10.25 inch screens. So we have both screens and also with ambient lighting, etc. So you can see here, you can change the style of the displays from classic to sport, to progressive, and also to understated. You can change so many things in this system. It also features MBUX, Hi Mercedes, voice assistant, and also other features which you know from the A-Class CLA and etc. So here you can see the 3D navigation and beautiful animation of this interface. So this infotainment system is really fantastic. You can see these dials, they have like a 3D design into them, and you can change a bunch of stuff in each instrument cluster, as you can see. With AMG you have one more different design, which is a Super Sport. So here with this part of the steering wheel, with the right part you can control the middle display, and with the left one you can control the instrument cluster. Seats with memory function, also heated seats and ventilated seats, so they are amazing. And we can see the ambient stripe in the doors, and here edition. So this is edition 1 on the dashboard, which has also like a carbon fiber trim. So here in the middle display we can change so many things, like functions for coming home, for multi-beams. This car can cut out ongoing cars. You have Linguatronic, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth. You can set automatic updates for this vehicle. You can see consumption, temperatures of the engine and the gearbox, and these beautiful ambient lights. So this car has 64 single colors and 12 multicolor options. So let's check out some of the colors here. So this is Red Moon, which is like a pink and also blue. We have a Fire Red, which is like orange and yellow. Really gorgeous colors, and during night it brings interior to life. So when I drive my A-Class, I'm like, wow, this is something incredible during early morning or during night or afternoon. During winter there is less daylight, so this brings a lot more light and a lot more life into the cabin. So it really drastically changes your perception of driving during night, especially when you drive a different car which doesn't have this kind of ambient lighting. So the seats have great bolsters, they are very comfortable. I have the same seats but with the integrated headrest, but the feel of the seat is the same. Really large armrest with 2 USB-C ports, and yeah, really gorgeous dynamic and leather seats. You can have also Artico leather. So let's check out the rear seats. So you can see how beautiful this interior is in the rear. These seats are really nicely shaped considering they are rear seats. They have really nice support and they are comfortable even for a longer drive. So you can see how much legroom I have. This is easily like 10 centimeters or more than 3 inches, and I'm 186-87 centimeters, that's 6 feet and 1 and 2 inch. So I have a lot of space here. As you can see, full socket here. This is for like a laptop, and 2 USB-C ports. So you can see here 230 volt socket. So really amazing. So you can fully use electric devices here and charge them. So this is really great. So you can see here the Dynamica and also Isofix for child seat. So this is ideal family car. You can put 2 child seat easily in the back, and there will also a lot of space for 2 adults and 1 kid, one like a teenager in the middle. So really wide armrest, so full comfort for 4 people. So the sunroof has 2 parts, and in the middle there is like a separation. So really even. The rear passengers will have a really big and really nice comfortable drive. So you have hook here, and also you have 2 speakers in the rear, which brings you like a 3D sound. So guys, you can see here how much headspace I have. Considering my height, 6 feet and 1 inch, more than 1 inch, I have a lot of space, as you can see, easily more than 3 inch or 10 centimeters. So hey guys, let me know what you think about this car and which compact SUV you prefer, the GLB or the GLA. So guys, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you soon in the next video. Have a wonderful day.